Yeah, what's happening everybody? It's your boy Mark. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys two items that I just got in the mail today. One is the license plate holder. I wouldn't even call that a mod. It's just a holder, but it's a carbon fiber because I'm trying to go with that carbon fiber wrap inside the dash trim. I'm trying to get that in. Well, I got that on my key fob now. And other things, steering wheel in the future. So I kind of want the black and carbon fiber look in the inside, so I might as well go with the carbon fiber license plate holder. Now, another thing that I got in the mail today, which I'm also gonna open up, I just wanna talk about it, is the gas pedal and the brake pedal. Those two, I believe, are one of the cheapest mods out there that makes your car look very aggressive and it makes it look so cool. I used to have the same pedals on my Hyundai Sonata, but back then it was called the Tiburon pedals because the Hyundai Sonatas didn't have it, of my model, which was 2006 to 2010. Again, that was a family sedan. So in order for you to get the aluminum race pedals, you would have to get them from the Hyundai Tiburon and then mod it into your car. And that's what I did back then. This is back in 2011, 2012. So now we're fast forward to 2023. I got a 2020 Grand Cherokee Laredo. No, Grand Cherokee Laredo, Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude, and I love it. So I had to get the aluminum gas pedals for them as well. So let me go ahead and flip the camera around so you guys can see what I got today. All right, so here we are. Put the camera around. I put it on a tripod, and let's just show you this. This is so beautiful. This keychain, key fob case holder. I love it. This is beautifully made. I'll put a link below. That is just my recent video that I made on this item. But now let's go ahead and talk about this. This is, I believe, is just a generic license plate holder. It shouldn't even be in a video, but I'm pretty much documenting all the stuff that I do to this Jeep Altitude. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up first. It's the carbon fiber. I got this off Amazon. This is the only item that I purchased on Amazon for this car. Normally, I buy everything on eBay when it comes to car parts. But this, again, is just the generic license plate. Let's see if it's glossy. Oh, cool. It is glossy. Nice. Oh, nice. Real nice. What does it come with? It should come with the oh no, and the images showed that it comes with the caps. Oh no, I've been bamboozled. Look, there's nothing in there. Ice Hammer, what did you do? Or is it IC Beamer? IC Hammer? Ice Beamer? IC Beamer? Okay, well, I got bamboozled because it did not come with the screws. Now let's go ahead. The screws or the cap. Mainly it's the cap so it can go together. Now I'm opening this up here just because you don't see my address, so you don't stalk me, guys and ladies. Here we go. This right here, I think I bought this the same night I purchased the car, which was now a week and a half ago. And I believe it came from China. There we go. This is beautiful. Oh, I love this. One of the cheapest mods out there that makes your car interior stand out. Come on, don't you want something aluminum by your footwell? So I'm not gonna do this right now. I'm just gonna put the license plate. These are going to get installed when I receive my LED interior kit. Reason being is because I'm doing the footwell LED, the ones that goes under your dashboard. So when I'm under there, when I get those lights, I might as well put these on. So I'm gonna wait for those to arrive, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this. I'm a little upset they didn't come with the screws. Their logo's right there. Okay, that's not bad. I'd rather have it here than sponsor them over here, you know? I don't want that. So this is pretty cool. I do like the design. I like the gloss finish look. But it's just upset that it doesn't come with the caps. Well, either way, I believe I paid, I want to say $13 for this with free shipping. You know, I shouldn't be complaining. $13 free shipping. Yeah, not bad. All right, so let me go ahead and put this in the car. And again, this is self-explanatory. I'm not going to show you guys how to remove your license plate holder. In my case, it's just these two screws right here, which are right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my license plate underneath my license plate holder and then just screw it back in. Now some cars do have them over here as well where you need all four, but most of the time it's just the top two. I believe sometimes it's the bottom two, but no, I think it's just the top two. You could do this yourself. All you need is a flathead or a Phillips or an Allen key, depending on your on how your screws come in. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So as I finished installing the license plate, I noticed that I have a sticker here of the company Roundup where I bought the vehicle. I feel like I'm sponsoring them. So I'm gonna peel this off right here. Look where it was. It fell when I was doing the video of taking out the license plate holder from the box. I guess when I removed it from the box, this fell out and it fell over here. I went ahead and blocked out my license plate, but as you can see, the screws are in there and it looks beautiful with that gloss black carbon fiber finish. Now, there's something I'm gonna explain that I wish I knew beforehand before I purchased. Now, it looks beautiful, it's well made, high quality. I have no problem with that. Here's the problem. See, right now it looks like it's sticking out just because I have my board here. But once I remove it, this plate hugs onto the metal of the car. So when you're driving, it rattles. Again, there's only two screws. There's no screws underneath, so it doesn't hug the car. And not only that, I don't have any holes underneath here. So my solution, what I'm planning on doing right now, is I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna remove them again, and then I'm gonna place some 3M tape. But what I'm gonna do with the 3M tape, I'm only gonna stick it onto the license plate holder, or the license plate. But I'm not gonna peel it to the other side. I don't need to peel it onto the car. I just need to peel it onto the license plate or the license plate, just so it has enough thickness so that when I'm driving, it doesn't rub and it doesn't tap metal to metal. And I believe that's gonna remove that noise that I'm having. Again, this is the second day driving the car with it and I can hear it. So let me go ahead now and do that. So in case if you are looking to get something like this, it is beautiful. It is well made. It's just that it rattles. So I had to turn my camera around for you guys to get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Right here, you can hear that when I'm driving. So again, put some 3M tape underneath, like long sheet of it on the back side, sticking onto the plate or the plate holder, not onto the vehicle, just onto this. So at least it rubs on that and it's just a nice foam core protecting the car and plate. But let's go ahead and talk about the license plate and the holder. Now we're looking at the bottom of it, so the bottom is facing us. Make sure they're clipped onto together with the plate and the plate holder. And then what you want to do is take your 3M tape, peel it off, but don't peel the top part, just the one that's underneath. Not this piece right here. This is the one that's going to touch your car. And I don't, for me, I mean, if you want to peel it off, you can, but I'm not. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm only using this because it's thick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a strip and place it right here. If it makes sense, let me grab something. There's a groove right here. So even if you put it right here on this strip, this is the piece that's tapping onto the vehicle. These two pieces, the top piece of the license plate and the plastic piece of the holder, the license plate holder. This is what you want to cover up with the 3M tape, not over here, because there's a groove right here. And that groove, by putting the 3M tape here, you're not really doing much because this is the piece that you need to protect. So let's go ahead and do that now. And there you go, that's the end result. Now keep in mind, my vehicle only has 2 holes for the holder. Yours might have 4, so if you do have 4, you're just gonna have to take a flathead or a Phillips and make a little hole. Puncture these 2 so then you can fit your screws in there. But again, I don't have to do that. But everything else, just make sure the 3M tape is onto this piece right here. This is the area that's more important. And that's it, and you are good to go. Okay, there you go. That's the end result. Now look at this. Okay. You know what? Let me flip the camera around. All right, check this out. No rattling. Awesome. So the part that meets the plate and license plate and the license plate holder and the license plate makes contact to the vehicle with that 3M tape. So now you're not going to hear anything when you're driving. All right, so disregard what I said about putting the aluminum pedals when I received the LED kit. It's like showing a kid a new toy. Do you not expect that the kid's gonna play with that new toy? Come on, I got the aluminum pedals, let's just go ahead and put those bad boys in. Alrighty, here we go. I set up the camera. I got the metal pedal to the metal right here. That one on the gas pedal is the most easiest one to do. All I have to do is just go over it. I believe this one I'm gonna have to take out the brake pedal. Make sure that when you get your pedals, this is the bottom part of the pedals. So they have to go in like so, like that. All right, so this might work. However, I just don't want to block the camera. But this is much more roomier for me. There you go. So as you can see, this pedal right here needs to go in within this little groove. So work from the bottom. Work on this one. This one, you're gonna have to take out this rubber padding, as so. And then we're gonna go ahead, place it here. If you notice, this area right here is open, which means let's start off that way. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, there we go. Looks tight. Looks tight like tiger. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm gonna see if I can find something right here. A dead pedal. What do you call it? Your footrest, but a metal one right here. That's what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be my next project, because those two look beautiful, but it just still feels empty right here. All right. Well, there you go. That doesn't take long. It took me about a good 5 minutes to do. And it was one of the cheapest. That changes your car dramatically from the interior. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that looks beautiful. Definitely want to change this. I also want to change, one of my next project is the carbon fiber. I'm not sure if I should do it now just because it's getting colder. I don't like doing this in the winter time, but we'll see. We'll see. I can always just take them out, bring them inside the house, and wrap them inside when I'm warm inside. Yeah, I might do that, but I'm definitely gonna do this carbon fiber. I'm just not sure if it should be glossy or do it non-gloss. I think I am going to do it glossy because it's going to match the steering wheel. And I realized that the steering wheel, the one I'm getting, the carbon fiber is also glossy, so I want it to match. All right, cool. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.